Optimal product manufacturing requires an efficient process to communicate with the production team. For example, users need to be able to define assembly items, generate a complex, multi-level bill of materials, create work orders, record assembly builds, and backflush components, all with minimal effort. If a product requires full traceability from the components being used, users would want to define an assembly item as lot numbered or serialized. In creating a work order for a build, the production manager needs to effectively schedule and release work to the production floor as soon as all components are available. The manager also needs that work order to automatically commit the component inventory to production, providing a more accurate view of current inventory status. Finally, the production team should be able to easily record actual components used for an assembly build, which helps create a more precise estimate of finished goods and refines component yields. NetSuite's work orders and assemblies can help with all of this. It provides visibility and control over production and real-time inventory availability as it moves through the manufacturing process.